So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to connect Hotjar, the tool that is going to give you data to help you better understand your customers through tools like heat maps, sessions, recordings, surveys, and upcoming feedback widget. So what you're going to have to do here is first to add your Hotjar to your website, we're going to have to go to click on the three dots right over here, and then here select integrations. Now from here you're gonna find here Hotjar. Just click on connect, and then here you're gonna have to enter your Hotjar site ID. You'll be able to find here's on Hotjar in organizations and sites, and there you'll be able to see like ID, and just copy that ID and paste it here. So yeah, I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you have more questions or suggestions for the next Hostinger tutorial, let me know in the comment section.